What's up everybody, it's Digger here. Today, I'm gonna unbox new Lego. It's here in front, so it says Lego Star Wars. This is from Series 3 and it's microfibers. This is the ghost, and before we open it, please like and subscribe or even leave a comment. Okay guys, let's open this baby up. Doop. Oh, this is actually harder. Sheesh, I don't know how to open this. Yeah, just cram it up. So we have here a bag. It's just one bag. There's no bag number. Why did I even forget to say its set number? The set number is 75127 before I start building, and they have more figures. Sorry about this Chinese words. So we have this, and this, and the other ones, and it says like they're in a pairs, or they're in pairs. Okay, here we go. Ooh, and we have a bag of instructions. Let's get started. Wait. Oh, this is so good. First time unboxing the actual Lego brand. I feel so lucky. Dudes, this is very amazing because it's actual Lego brand. Next. Dudes, this is very amazing. Look what I've did so far. It looks ugly, but until we're done, it's good. Let's continue. Guys, this is what I made so far. This looks like a little mini ship. A little mini ship. Obviously, it's a little mini ship because it is a little mini ship. Now let's get to finish this. Oops. Continue. Sorry there, I made a mistake here. It was upside down. The wings are really tricky. This is like those thrusters or those little boosters. Finally, the last step. Thank you. What's up, Ma? No. Guys, we're done. Here they are, and we must start with the minifigure. Here she is. I don't know who she is though. But if you do know who she is, please comment down below so my mom can tell me who she is, so like when I can play with my Lego stories. Let me see in the box if her name is written. Nope, it's not written, as long as this is the owner of the ghost ship. Now we need to go with the main attraction, the ghost. This is the miniature figure, the small version of the ghost. I think if this was the big one, here we have it, guys, the ghost in like mini sized. So I think this is the bridge, and your minifigure, this dude or dudette, sits here. This could fire too. Look, it can shoot. Pew! Yes, score. Now let's place her on. Yeah, I'm going to Kalhala. Now that's over. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. But if you don't want to, we're okay with that, because we're glad that you watched this video. It made it count as a view. Bye guys, see you next time. Bye.